Another big story we're following tonight, a sexual assault conviction overturned, the impact stretching all the way here to San Antonio. Actor and comedian Bill Cosby walking out of prison after the ruling from Pennsylvania's highest court and barred from retrial.
The procedural technicality has Girls Incorporated voicing concern. The nonprofit encourages girls to be strong and bold. The night team's Daphne Gray with local reaction and a breakdown of what went wrong.
That is just a disservice to all of the victims.
The president and CEO of Girls Inc. San Antonio speaking out against the Pennsylvania Supreme Court's decision to release Bill Cosby. Cosby was serving 2 of his 3 to 10 year sentence for drugging and sexually assaulting a woman. Over 60 other women came forward with accusations. Leah Rosenhauer says this decision is a slap in the face for Cosby's survivor and other sexual assault survivors.
The message that is being delivered to girls and women is that be quiet, because what you say doesn't matter. And that is unfortunate.
The court is not saying that he did not sexually assault these women. What the court is saying is that it was a procedural issue, and that because of the procedural issue and his due process being violated, then they have to let him go.
In 2005, Cosby provided testimony in a civil lawsuit that one of his accusers had filed against him. Before that, the Montgomery County District Attorney's Office announced that they would not prosecute him in the criminal case, meaning anything he said could not be used against him.
Everything hinged on that statement, because once that statement was made, Bill Cosby was then, he could not invoke the Fifth anymore. He had to speak. Cosby was really acting under the impression that he was never going to be criminally charged.
In Pennsylvania, that violation alone tanked everything else that has been brought against Cosby. Both Rosenhauer and Gilletta Kubina believe this decision is bad news for victims of sexual assault, especially since only 20% of rape survivors report their abusers. They fear that percentage will now decrease.
Please, please keep telling your story and finding that ally, because they are out there.
Kubina says that other prosecutors in Pennsylvania could bring more cases against Cosby should witnesses or more witnesses come forward. But even if that was the case, it could be challenging getting a conviction. She did say that this case could go to the U.S. Supreme Court. Daphne Gray, KSAT 12 News.